Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So earlier we have added pictures from this device. Okay, we have also added videos from this device. Now if you want to have a quickly edit or add the any screenshot, so how you can do? So I have selected my slide number 10 and I have opened up one of the ChatGPT images and I want to have one of the photographs directly from the Chrome. But either I have to right click on this, then copy, and then after I have to paste over in my presentation. I have to paste it over here. So this is tedious job. Otherwise I have to also download the photographs. So if you want to take the screenshot from any open window, how you can do? So this is the trick. Let me go to this image. In this screenshot button is available here. If you want to select directly any window which is available, you can do that. Otherwise you just have to screen clipping. Our tab is already open up, so automatically this screen clipping screenshot tool is activated. You just drag and whatever you want to select, just click on that. Automatically our image has been selected. If you want to have a more image, you have to do same thing. So I am going to again do that same thing, screen clipping, and here I am going to select this ChatGPT. Okay, once I select, you can see that automatically our ChatGPT image from the Google Chrome has been captured. So this is the way from which you can directly insert particular screenshot. It is the same as a screen recording. If you want to record something on the screen, you have to click on that, and whatever part it will ask that you have to select from this to this, and then after, like here, select area. Like I want to record this part only. Once you click on record button, automatically it will be recorded. Then you have to just pause. You can see the 3, 2, 1. Let me do that for you. Now the recording has been done. If you want to pause, you just click on this. Automatically it will be saved, and presentation on presentation screen it will be opened up. So it will will be helpful whenever you are making the presentation. You want to show something to someone, that how you can add a tutorial video, so that see our video is being played over here. So likewise you can record your screen also. Currently we don't require, so I am just deleting. In future if we require, we can use it. So we will just keep this image here, and in future we will use this image. So likewise I want to quickly give you the idea about the screenshot and the screen recording. So these two things we have captured over here. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you.